Let's go over the ingredients I'll be using today. Garlic, 1 thumb size of ginger root, 3 Thai chili peppers, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 3 potatoes, salt and black pepper, Chinese white spice, 3 star anise, fish sauce, chicken broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 pounds of pork. And right now I'm just mincing the garlic. I love using fresh garlic for this recipe. And then I'm just mincing up the ginger roots. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I cook a certain ingredient, it reminds me of someone, and this definitely reminds me of my mom every time. And then I'm going to slice up my Thai chili pepper, depending on how you like it. And if you don't like any of this, then you can go ahead and definitely omit it. And then I'm just chopping up the onions. I'm just going to slice up the carrots into chunks. You can do however you like. If you want to be smaller chunks and make it smaller, like it bigger, make it bigger. And then for the potatoes, I'm just cutting them into bite-sized chunks. You can cut them, as big or as small as you like. And then I'm just chopping up the pork into bite size. I like to have a nice big bite of pork. In my slow cooker, I'm going to add in the pork. And then the potatoes. The carrots. The onions. And then the diced tomatoes, and then the chicken broth, and then the Thai chili peppers, the ginger and the garlic, and then the fish sauce, and then salt and black pepper, and then the Chinese white spice, and then the star anise. And then I'm just going to give it a mix to combine. Oh, this smells so delicious. You can smell all the spice and herbs and veggies. Now that it's nice and stirred, I'm going to cover it up with the lid. And then you want to turn it on to high and cook for about 2 to 3 hours, or on low for about 5 to 6 hours. Here is the end results of the Asian pork and potato stew. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!